We are in Seattle now, and we are on the production line of the 737 MAX. As you can see, this is the second one for the TUI group on the production line.
It is a fantastic evolution of the 737 family, so it provides much more efficiency, it's a very ecological aircraft, and it provides best customer experience, and therefore it's a perfect fit into our fleet.
The main differences between the 737NG and the 737 MAX, the biggest difference, of course, is the engine. But it's also got to do with a new wing, with a new winglet, better aerodynamic efficiencies.
This is a nice example of cooperation within the TUI group. Lots of people across all source markets have worked together, and this is the achievement, this is the results.
Overall, the biggest improvement that the airlines will see is the reduction in fuel costs, and also better for the environment and longer range. So all of a sudden now, network and fleet planning team of an airline can fly to new city pairs that they could never do with the previous generation 737, and they can do it at much lower costs. TUI has always shown that they are the leaders in the airspace.
We will then operate the most modern aircraft fleet in the leisure market, so no other competitor will have a fleet like this.
The day after tomorrow, we will fly the first 737 MAX to Brussels.
Well, first of all, it has to be checked that all technical requirements are fulfilled, so all documentation has to be settled with the local NAAs. All financial things have to be settled, and once everything is done, there is a handover process when the customer takes possession of the aircraft, which is a bit of ceremony, and then it's flown home.
We prepared for this flight first by studying the differences in the systems and then looking at the procedures, but the last part was easy because the procedures are exactly the same as on the new generation aircraft.
Moi, ma plus grande impression, ce sont les moteurs qui sont nouveaux, qui sont beaucoup plus performants, beaucoup plus silencieux.
Vooral ook de mindere geluidslast, die is vooral buiten te horen, misschien voor de omwonenden, maar ook in het vliegtuig is er minder lawaai.
What is very special about transferring this aircraft direct from Seattle to Brussels is that due to the fact that it consumes less fuel, we can fly farther, and it has never been done before with passengers on board on such a distance. What it was very special about 4 years ago when I could bring the first Dreamliner, the 787, from Seattle to Brussels, but also today is very special. This is a kind of a baby Dreamliner, and we were also very lucky seeing the Northern Lights on this flight, so I'm very happy.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
TUI is investing in environmental friendly technology. Today it's not a choice, it's a must. And I'm very proud to be part of that project.